Hello, I'm Sabya from Techno Exponent. I just went through your post in Upwork and I find that you have got a very good match with your requirements, as we have used Google property markers on a map showing real estate properties. Now, rather than writing hundreds of words explaining what you have done, I thought that making a video would be a much precise approach. So let me just quickly show you the two websites that we have done. The first is Keytones.com. This is a UK based real estate company. Now, as you can see in this map, it is showing some of the properties here. The more you zoom in, the maps or the pointers becomes visible. Let me just zoom in further, and you can see that here now hundreds of properties are being shown. When you hover over a property, the details of that property is shown, and you can view the property page from here or save it in your own account. For this you have to log in, obviously. Now here we have also used the cluster approach. Now the cluster approach works like this. As you can see, when the map is zoomed out, it is only showing a few properties or a few markers. Now if you hover over any of the markers here, see, it will show you 3 properties. So here a single marker is representing 3 properties. Now when you start zooming in, each of them begins to show individual properties. So this is known as clustering concept, and this is available through Google Maps also. We have also in another website we have used pinpoint markers here. Its name is All Public Art. Here, as you can see, let me just zoom out so you can see the entire world map. Here, wherever there are arts posted, you can see the pointers are being given. The more you zoom in, the details becomes visible. Here if you click on it, it is showing just the details. Now here we haven't used the cluster concept, as that was not the requirement, and so based on your requirement we can use the cluster concept, as from your project I see there are a huge number of properties. So, and if all of them are showing on a single country or maybe 1 or 2 countries, sometimes the maps becomes not visible properly. So also one more thing that I needed to ask is that you have said that the admin is ready and you want to upload the properties through a JSON. Now it will be a great help if you can let me know what technology has been used to develop the backend and the front end of the website. So this will help us customize the work that we have done here so that it matches with your website's requirement. Now the biggest question is, why should you hire us? The first and foremost point that I'd like to say is that we have experience in what you are asking. I showed you 2 of the websites that we have done, and surely we can do it again. Another good thing about working with us is that we do not ask for any upfront payment when we start a work. Moreover, there are no hidden or extra costs included in our proposal. Whenever we start a work, we divide the entire work in milestones. Once a milestone has been completed, we ask for your feedback, and if you're happy with the work, then only you release the payment. Otherwise, we continue improving it. Another good thing about us is that our company consists of the right mix of expertise and skills. We have around 73 employees here, which includes front-end developers, back-end developers, designers, project managers, testers. And so you can choose from a large pool of experts and get the best of the breed personnel. Moreover, when you are working with us, you get direct access to the developer. Yes, it's true. Although a dedicated project manager will be assigned to your project, if required, you can directly talk with the developer during work hours. So that's all for today. I hope if you have any questions to ask us, you can just post it on Upwork and we'll get back to you. Also, it will be very helpful if you can initiate the communication, as we need to ask a few questions also regarding the backend that you have developed. So looking forward to your replies. Thank you.